So I'm Julian Boneham, I'm Technology Innovation Director for Data at Node4, and we're finding so many of our clients are wanting to modernise their data strategy so that they can get more value out of their data. They recognise that there's more they can do with their data, but there are challenges associated with doing this. We know that most of our clients are contending with large volumes of data that exists already. They're also seeing exponential growth in the data that they're generating today. So this data is equally sitting in different locations. Some of it's in private infrastructure, some of it's in public cloud infrastructure. So to get a unified view of that data and to make better informed business decisions from that data, it's really difficult. We operate along a number of different areas around that whole data strategy piece. So three main areas, the first of which is managing the back-end data sources. So we support and manage thousands of databases for our clients, and they may be sitting in private infrastructure or public cloud infrastructure. The key remit for us is making sure that those data sources remain available, that they're optimized, and that the applications then are running smoothly and effectively on a 24/7 basis. So we look after those data sources. The second area then is building the data warehouse, and there have been lots of advances in cloud-based modern data platforms over the last couple of years. Most of our work at Node4 is centered around Microsoft Fabric, and that gives us a platform whereby we can pick up all of those different data sources around the client's environment. We can then ingest the data into the data platform, we can transform the data, and we can model the data so that that data is then available for subsequent business intelligence. That leads on to that third area for us, which is all around the data analytics piece. So we've got a team of Power BI experts, and they're great at creating these really elegant visualizations of data, which basically can create lots of complex data sources into a single simplified dashboard. And that's great for our clients then to get that source of truth and that vision of the data that they need to make better informed business decisions. So for us, it's all around managing the back-end data sources and then bringing that into Microsoft Fabric, whereby we can do that whole end-to-end data strategy. Varies enormously, and we've got clients of all different shapes and size, but effectively the common thread across all of our clients is they're all wanting to leverage their data more, they're all wanting to get better value from their data. So these clients are often clients that have either got lots of data now, or they've got growing data sets, or maybe they've got data that sits in different disparate parts of their business, and it's difficult to try and get that unified view of how to get value from that data. So yeah, it varies in terms of clients, but we do great work with, say, retail organizations where we help them maximize their marketing efforts to sell more efficiently. We do lots of work with public sector and emergency services clients where we can help them optimize their resource allocation across their organization. So it really varies across all types of business, but the common thread is clients that want to get more value out of their data for better informed business decision making. We've got two operating modes. Firstly is our consulting practice, whereby our consultants, they'll help our clients to qualify where they are on their data journey. What do they want to achieve and what the challenges are. We then scope out the project, we deliver the project, we implement it. So it's all done within tightly defined statements of work, so we've got those clear deliverables agreed with our clients. Then our second operating mode is through our managed services team. We've got 24/7 managed services whereby we can manage the back-end data sources, we can equally manage the Fabric data platform, manage all of those data pipelines to make sure there's data consistency for our clients. And that managed service model, that's designed to really alleviate the pressure off our clients, so we can help them to run, to operate and to evolve their data platforms and help them harness the value of the data that exists across their organisation. So we recognise that our clients are at different points of their data maturity in terms of data strategy. So the way that we engage with clients is that we look to deliver a free of charge initial consultation. We'll look to work out where the client is now, what they want to achieve and what potential challenges are, and from there we'll help to build a roadmap and a strategy around improving the data management within the business.